If we spend almost all waking hours, far too many late nights, endless days inside the office, how come no one has designed a lifestyle for the office life? Welcome to the HQ. Signature offices that are intuitive, intelligent, and frankly, an incredible solution. Great businesses need a great workplace lifestyle. Situated on the banks of Pune's defining river, the Mulla Mutta, the HQ is nestled in verdant greenery. The HQ is on Boat Club Road, easily Pune's most iconic, most sought-after neighborhood. It is a convenient, well-connected drive away from almost any important destination in Pune. Koregaon Park, Kalyani Nagar, the airport, the central business district of Pune, everything is close by. HQ is surrounded by some of the most prestigious hospitality options. Leading healthcare institutions are in close proximity. Some of the most elite clubs of the city are in near vicinity. All in all, HQ is located in the most high-profile neighborhood. As you drive into the HQ, you feel a sense of driving away from the chaos. That is because of the huge 75 feet setback from the main road. And the first taste of the luxury is the huge parking that you sweep into. The HQ offers parking space for a whopping 900 cars across 5 levels of parking, 2 levels reserved for owners, 2 levels for staff, and 1 level for visitors. You park in comfort and then head to a grand, world-class double-height entrance lobby that serves as the reception area for the entire building. Here your guests will be welcomed, identified, and directed to 6 designer elevators exclusively for the offices at the HQ. Which brings us to the highlight of the tour, your office at the HQ. Every office here has a 12 feet height, comes with a balcony, effortlessly combining the outside and the inside, which, in addition to amplifying the natural air and sunlight, gives you the incomparable advantage of a space that vastly enhances your workplace lifestyle. Every floor has toilets which will be maintained by professional facilities management teams. Again, a huge benefit when it comes to the office experience. Ample parking, top-notch services, excellent office spaces, river-facing balconies. What more can you want in your office, right? Well, the HQ offers you much more. An entire ground floor that is dedicated to carefully curated F&B offerings, expansive seating spaces with no vehicular movement enhances the relaxed feel of this floor. 13-foot floor height and sanctioned covered seating designed to accommodate all your needs. The restaurants also have a special service area so that all the hustle and bustle of the industry remains discreetly hidden away. On the first floor, you will be able to enjoy a cutting-edge clubhouse with river-facing swimming pool. On the lower ground floor, you will be able to lounge in the classiest pubs in the city. Soundproof, so that the music can keep playing into the night without disturbing anyone. And river-facing, so that you can relax with unobstructed views over the water. There is no doubt that these will become the most happening water holes in the city. Every single aspect of the HQ has a signature design thought behind it and a signature team to execute it. With signature Goyal Ganga expertise. That's how a signature office is built. Because after all the life that you give to your office, it is time that your office gave you a lifestyle in return.